the last thing that I want to talk to you about is branding. A big concern for a lot of business owners in real estate as well. Margot, if I come to eXp Realty, what happens to my brand? I've put so much passion and time into creating this brand and having this recognition in my local markets. My agents know this brand. Oh my gosh, am I going to lose it if I come to eXp? The answer is no. So eXp stands behind your brand. Your branding all stays the same, given that it's compliant with state laws, but your branding stays the same. Your logo, the name of your team, but now you've got eXp behind you. And that is a really powerful opportunity. So these are just a few points that I would like to highlight about why I would encourage you to look at eXp Realty as a company to merge with. And trust me when I say, we know that you as a broker in charge or an owner of a company are working hard, and we don't take that lightly. So if you are considering this merger or you'd like to schedule a call for some more information, please reach out to me. We can schedule a call. There's no obligation to it. You don't have to commit to anything. It's simply a conversation. And if you are a savvy business person, I'm assuming you understand that every conversation is worth having, right? Whether it results in a new opportunity or whether it just adds clarity to you being where you are. Every conversation is worth having. And so I would encourage you to reach out to me. Let's have this conversation and see if eXp is the right fit for you and your company.